Immediately, Tinubu become the president of Nigeria. Demolition of houses of Igbos and their shop start in Lagos immediately, because even a whole Jagaban of Lagos, Peter Obi won him in his own state, where Tinubu the boss talks and he developed Lagos. Even Igbo man won him on his own state. Now that one make them to no. Plus the envy and the jealousy and the hatred they have where Igbo there, they'll start demolishing houses and collect all the land that Igbo buy and their shops. And the Igbo believe if they will still buy land that place and the building houses. Ndi believe see them. Now. Do you see how Hausa people came out, protest, then we came to stop demolishing their house, their property in even Abuja? Even very dark man went there and joined them to do the protest. But do you know that if in Igbo houses now they are doing this thing, no do protest waiting, no Igbo person go fit do protest, then we came to stop them. The Igbos, we are not united. I do scattered. I pass the only thing I pass even on social media about drag ourselves. Social media. That is the only thing we pass on social media. Do you see how the Northerners they do protest, and right now they are working on it to stop like now Hana Atona Hagesi we came to stop that thing he's doing in Abuja now, demolishing houses. But if na Igbo house now where then they are demolishing that place now, nobody go talk, no protest, nothing. Everybody will keep silent. If you come on social media, what will be seeing Igbos doing? Igbos will be fighting themselves on social media. All the houses now they are demolishing in Lagos. How many Igbos do you see gang up, united, do peaceful protest, tell Governor Sanwo-Olu he should stop what he's doing? Nobody. I did it alone, only me. Look at it. I did it alone, only me. I did it alone. I came out, do protest, tell Governor I did it. I came out, tell Governor Sanwo-Olu and Tinubu they should stop demolishing Igbo houses in Lagos. I did it, Emelenya. Yes, but this is what we're supposed to do. This is what Igbos in Lagos are supposed to do, because not one place, not two places. I saw the other video. Either 4 o'clock or 5 o'clock. They just came that place in Lagos. Tell all the people where they sell market that place. You people should go. We want to demolish that place. And the majority of people where they that place, the Igbos, and Igbos is their target. Immediately, Caterpillar came and demolishing that places. Nobody go talk. Everybody keep quiet. If you come on social media, you see Igbos dragging themselves, fighting themselves on social media. I'm telling you what is happening. There are so many places. There are so many places. They are collecting from Igbos. They are collecting from Igbos. And I don't know where you people will have sense. Even in Anambra here or Enugu or Imo State here, just few people, 100 or 300 people, gather themselves, do peaceful protest. Tell Governor Sanwo-Olu, make you stop this thing where they do this thing where they do to our brothers, our sisters waiting for Lagos. Make you stop them. But you don't go see them do them. The one what I do now, if I want call people now, they go tell me make I bring money before they go join me do protest. Protest what? I'm not even getting any shishi for the protest. Only what I'm getting for, even the Igbo people will mock me for the protest what I do for main load. Concerning how they are demolishing the house of the people in Lagos. Who give him? Nobody give him money. Nobody is sponsoring me for all this video I'm doing for Igbos. Nobody. But I did it alone. I did it alone. Nobody helped me. Nobody gave me shit. Look at it. Look at how very dark man came out. Other northern people, outside people, then join hands together, do protests. Then we can stop this thing you are doing with the boldness. And now it's like work is going on now. Yes, because as I'm seeing now, the battle, the fire we can receive now don't do too much. They may stop it, or they may compensate those people when they demolish their houses. All the houses of Igbos and their shop that are demolishing in Lagos, there is no compensation, nothing. Some of Igbos die in BP. Some of them even collapse where they see their house. where Governor Sonwolu demolished. Some of them were on a BP, some of them for their house collapsed on. They just die like that. Now, Ndi Igbo Ndozo, what you people are doing, Ndi Igbo Amalam, I don't know. We think that we are the wisest tribe in Nigeria, but the way we are behaving, we are not behave like the most foolish tribe in Nigeria. I said it earlier that Obu na Afia, maybe Igbo's property, go demolition in Abuja. For now, you know, go see them. You nobody go talk. No protest. The work will be continuing now, going on. Nobody will talk. But look at it, because now Hausa people, protest don't start, war don't start, and even Governor Wike may stop that thing. Wike may stop that thing, or he may compensate those people, give them money. They will build another house, or government will provide land for them under praise. I don't know when Igbos will wake up in this country called Nigeria. I don't know when the Igbos will wake up. I don't know when the Igbos will wake up. Do you know that if, say, all these houses that Lagos State Governor are demolishing, if you say that Igbos get sense, if they do peaceful protest, after they do that peaceful protest, Governor Sonwolu will, in his sense, will return back to him. Because they are doing all those things because of envy, because of jealousy, because Peter Obi won tribute in Lagos. Since that time, they are not happy. Oh, Igbo, we come to Lagos. We come, look at Igbo man win a whole Jagaban of Lagos. That is why after the election, bam, after they swore Tinubu as a president of Nigeria, the next thing we are seeing in demolition, empty, demolition, plenty, houses, shops, they are demolition, and the 99% of those people who get that house and all this are Igbos. They are demolishing it, they are taking it from them, and all our politicians, everybody, keep quiet. Though I'm not talking about those people, because those people, they have sold their birthright. So, as I said before, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, they have sold their birthrights, because I will still do the protest now. I will still do the protest when I am ready. I will come out and I will do protest. Make Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, make them resign. Make our mothers represent them. Make our mothers take over, because our mothers, they may do good work. They may do good work for Ndi Igbo than Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, because Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, they are not doing any work in here Igbo land. They have sold their birthright. So our mothers will take over. I will do the protest there. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, make our papa, make them resign, make our mothers take over. Our mothers will do good work than them. Yes, because they are not doing anything to us. Now, when I don't see that video now, then don't they fight? They are fighting who will become the next president general of Ohaneze Ndi Igbo. Imo State people talking at them. Rivers State people talking at them. And this is the time for the Rivers State. It's the time for Rivers State. But Imo State people talking, they no agree. Now Rivers State people go take them. Imo State people say they no agree, and then go take them. And according to them, it's the time for Rivers State to take it. But they don't want. They don't want. May God have mercy upon these Igbo people. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, I don't know. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, I don't even know what they are doing that place. I have said before. Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, I don't even know what they are doing that place. We never benefit anything from them. I saw one guy where talk on Facebook. The guy talk say Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, onu chọ Igbo ngunu bono ngunu. I actually the way the guy talk that in there, in fact, it's very funny. Also, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, if you want buy on ourselves, make on buy on ourselves, because we Igbos never get any benefit from you people being Ohaneze Ndi Igbo, because Ohaneze Ndi Igbo means people that will speak for the Igbos in Nigeria. If anything happened to Igbos in Nigeria, Ohaneze Ndi Igbo will speak, but they are not speaking. They know the talk. They just they sit down, they look. If they won't talk, then go carry money, give them. They will keep quiet. Honest and Igbo supposed to be talking. All these things they are doing to Igbos in Lagos, Honest and Igbo supposed to stand on their legs, speak, but they are not talking. Because I'm sure that this Honest and Igbo, this is not. They are not working for the Igbos. They are just